The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Oneida County in central New York, Otsego County in central New York, Madison County in central New York, northern Delaware County in central New York, eastern Shenango County in central New York, until midnight EDT, at 10:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Georgetown to 6 miles south of Sydney, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 0.70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Utica, Oneonta, Oneida, Kirkland, Norwich, Westmoreland, Eaton, Paris, Deerfield, and Hamilton. Precautionary preparedness actions. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across Cortland County. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.